So today we're going to do a little tutorial on the seats, because everywhere I've looked on YouTube there's not really a decent tutorial on how to do it. Also, I've managed to get some clips made up for this, so if you're looking for them we can actually supply the clips for them now. So tools I'm going to be using, just an old hammer. Unfortunately I haven't got a rubber mallet, but a rubber mallet would be better, or a plastic one, and just a little pry bar. My clips are these little things I've got made and ordered up. So I have been putting roughly 5 down the side. Hopefully you'll be able to see this. So if I peel this back, there's like a little plastic lip that runs down here. So first off, where your rubber bead is here, I don't know if you can see that just here, fold that over roughly about here. The first clip's going to go. We're just going to use my pry bar because these are super tight to put on. So that's one. I'm going to put 5 down the outside and 4 on the inside of the seat, but it's the same principle on the inside of the seat. These are just super tight to put on, unfortunately. And then we're going to put one roughly here. Then we're going to go further down. I'm going to put one in the middle. And then last one's going to go down the bottom somewhere. Just find a nice place you can squeeze it in just to hold the bottom in. Like I say, these clips are super tight. Oh. Right, so your clips will clip onto the little plastic clip like so. Right, the tough part is trying to bend this round. So I'll get this out of here. It's a bit broke, this bit, but so then we're going to use our little trim tool or our lever bar. I'm going to push that in there, and then just use your thumbs and you just got to push really hard to get in there. So this side's a little bit tighter, so what I'm doing is just need to bend that little plastic lip right into the groove, and I'm just getting the hammer handle, pushing against it as tight as you can. As you can see, it starts to fold in. It is a bit tight this side. The other side kind of went in quite easy, if I'm going to tell the truth. And there we go, one seat repair done. This just looks like it's peeling away a little bit. It's just the stitching's come off the plastic ridge a little bit, but I'll show you the other side just so you know what it looks like. Repaired this one just a second ago just to get it going. As you can see, all lovely and done, not going anywhere. And I've also done the inside on this side as well. So hopefully that shows you how to repair them. Like I say, we sell the little clips. I hope this tutorial helps everyone get their little wingback seats back together. Please don't forget to like, sub and subscribe. Also, we like interacting with our followers, so always leave us a comment. See you later.